Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Videoleap app. First, download the application from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and tap to create a new project. You can then import videos and photos directly from your camera roll or other files. This is your starting point for all your creative video editing endeavors within the app. Now, let's explore the essential editing features. You can easily trim and split your video clips to get the perfect timing. Adjust the speed of your footage to create dramatic slow motion or energetic fast-forward effects. Enhance your visuals by adding custom text overlays and fun stickers to make your videos more engaging and personalized. To truly elevate your videos, dive into effects and audio. Apply a variety of filters and fine-tune color settings to achieve your desired aesthetic. Integrate background music or sound effects from the app's extensive library to set the mood. For advanced control, use keyframes to create dynamic animations and smooth transitions between elements in your project. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Choose your preferred resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, and select a suitable frame rate, like 30 frames per second. Once exported, the finished video will be saved directly to your device. From there, you can easily share your creation with friends and followers across various social media platforms.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.